So Villarreal have won the Europa League final against Manchester United on penalties. The match ended 1-1 during regulation time, and then after extra time the two teams could not be separated. So it went to penalties, and where each team scored their first 10 penalties before Manchester United missed their 11th penalty, and Villarreal scored with their 11th penalty. The goalkeepers took the 11th penalty. So it was a very closely contested match with Villarreal taking the lead through Gerard Moreno in the first half before Edison Cavani equalized for Man United in the second. Cavani once again came up big, as did Moreno. Moreno been having a very good season with Villarreal. He's been scoring a lot of goals. He was one of the top scorers in the La Liga and in the Europa League. And Edison Cavani is one of the top scorers for Manchester United. So both strikers turning up on the big day. Also, Zinedine Zidane has been sacked. Well, not sacked. Zinedine Zidane has resigned as head coach of Real Madrid. Zizou, after having a great season with Real, has resigned. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has come under a lot of fire for not making enough substitutions at the right time. Arsenal are looking to make a lot of transfers this season. First of all, they're looking to get a new striker in Odsonne Edouard from Celtic. Then they're looking to get Hassam Aouar from Lyon as a playmaker in place of Martin Odegaard, who looks like he's going to be heading back to the Bernabeu now. The Bernabeu was incidentally on fire last night, literally on fire. But coming back to Odegaard, Zinedine Zidane was the guy who sent him out on loan. But with Zidane's resignation, it looks like Odegaard might be coming back to Real Madrid, and that's a big blow to Arsenal because Odegaard was one of the bright lights for Arsenal in the second half of the season after the January transfer. Also, Arsenal are looking to get Yves Bissouma in central midfield to accompany Thomas Partey and Granit Xhaka in midfield. So that could be a very interesting move because he could be a player who can transform that Arsenal midfield. William Saliba is being wanted by Bayer Leverkusen. The managers who are expected to take over from Zinedine Zidane, the person who is in the front row is currently another Madrid legend, Raúl González. So it looks like Raúl might be upgraded from Castilla to manage the first team just like Zidane was. Diego Simeone does not want to sign his son Giovanni. Once again, it shows the stranglehold the Spanish clubs have in finals, especially over English teams, as they've won, I think, the last 4 finals now, and they've won the last 16 finals against non-Spanish teams. So that's quite a big number. Spain is still ruling the roost, although I think the Premier League clubs are now the best clubs in the world. But if Spanish clubs can put up performances like the one Villarreal did, then maybe they'll be back on top soon. Manchester United potentially avoid the group of death. Coming back to Unai Emery, he was really slandered by the British media for being a mediocre coach when he was coach of Arsenal, but he's proven once again that that he's a mastermind who, especially when it comes to the Europa League, knows how to win. The Villarreal team was not an exceptional team by any stretch of the imagination, and Manchester United were clearly dominating the entire game. But somehow Emery and his side came out on top. Liverpool are targeting Yuri Tillemans. Liverpool central midfielder Jorginho Wijnaldum was just transferred to Barcelona, according to widespread reports. So it looks like they are now targeting Yuri Tillemans in midfield. They already have talent like James Milner, Jordan Henderson, Xherdan Shaqiri. Shaqiri is another player who might go. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, another player who might go. They have Thiago. So they have a few players in central midfield. Naby Keita is being targeted by Atletico Madrid. So there's a lot of movement taking place in Liverpool. Liverpool have also reportedly completed the signing of Ibrahima Konate. Konate is an upcoming defender upcoming RB Leipzig defender who has impressed one and all. So it looks like the transfer of Konate, finally Liverpool will have the centre back cover that they've been hoping for. But this will mean that Ozan Kabak will move out of the club and they'll be left with Matip, Van Dijk, Joe Gomez and Konate. So Konate and Van Dijk are probably going to be the two starters at this club now. Thiago Motta is rumoured to be replacing the Lille coach Christophe Galtier. Bruno Fernandes had a game to forget in the Europa League final. Ronaldo might return to Manchester United, whereas Conte might go to Tottenham Hotspur after resigning from Inter Milan. So two big coaches have resigned in the past 48 hours, and it also seems like Andrea Pirlo will be sacked, or he might resign from Juventus and Allegri might take over.